What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon in the crypto universe. Today is Tuesday, March 7th, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about 4 gaming altcoins I want on your radar. Because these altcoins in the next bull run could do massive returns in terms of investments. Now, with that said, as always, I have to bring up on this channel, this is not financial advice. This is just for your own entertainment. This is just for your own education, to be informed of what's going on the horizon of gaming in Web3. So please do your own due diligence before investing in any of these altcoins. With that said, be sure to like that button, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I'll never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. Right now, if you go to CoinMarketCap, there are a ton of GameFi altcoins out there. You must be wondering, what are the most promising ones that have a really bright future ahead of them? Well, you can go down the list, but I'm going to make it very convenient for you to look for these top 4. Now, what is the first one? Simply, it's Polygon. Yes, we're talking about a layer 2 solution to Ethereum, but Polygon's ecosystem has been growing. It's actually attracting a lot of GameFi projects and developers and builders, and they're flocking over to Polygon. Right now, Polygon is trading at around $1.14. Now, if we look at the all-time high chart, meaning if we look at the overall chart of where Polygon's gone in terms of floor price and price action, it's gone as high as around $3. So around $1.14 does have the potential to 10x, 50x, 100x, possibly, especially if there's worldwide adoption with Web3. But most importantly, let's talk about the gaming ecosystem, because we do know that there are a ton of users playing these games actively. So this is a little kind of brief overlook on all the different games on the Polygon blockchain. As of right now, we have Planet IX that has the highest amount of users, at least within the past 7 days, and that is 87,000 users. So that's really good. People are actually playing this around the world. But also, we can tell from their actual trailer that they actually have a lot of different games that are active as of right now that you can participate in. And a lot of these come from different, metaverses to poker games to literally first-person shooters. But again, some of these games are even on mobile. So that's really cool to see that they have a really diverse range of different experiences, because users have different wants and needs from different games. And as you can see from this trailer, you can see that they have a broad scope to attract every other person to their blockchain. So that's why that's my number 1 altcoin in terms of gaming, because Polygon could definitely lead that way. Now, what is my second one? What is my second altcoin? That is this gaming altcoin. That's called Aavegotchi, also known as the ticker symbol Ghost token. Now, it's trading at $1.62. The market cap is pretty healthy, 73 million, meaning that this is very young. It could do really well later on down the future. Look at the fully diluted market cap. It's only 3 million off from the market cap, meaning that it's evaluated appropriately. That means it's not going to have an unbelievable evaluation of $1 billion compared to its not even $100 million. So that's really good. And usually those are red flags if it's too high, but this is not. Now, its all-time high price was almost around $3 as well. So as you can see here, it actually isn't too bad in terms of its low price right here to its high price. I mean, there's just a lot of upside that it could come back up there. But you know what's really great about this chart is that it hasn't gone sharply up or down. It's actually been kind of trading sideways for quite some time. Yes, there's this dip from over this time around March 31st of 2022 up until today. But just looking at this chart, it looks pretty healthy. That means there could be active and healthy community members. Now, you must be wondering what that is all about. Now, as you can see here, just based on this trailer, you're seeing that there is a metaverse within Aavegotchi. And I think people are really huge into the NFTs of these characters. Somehow, some way, this team has stayed really in touch with not just Polygon, but Ethereum audience as well. Now, it is part of the Indie GG DAO, and that is part of the gaming community within Polygon. But also, it's also attracted a lot of Indian gamers as well. But even my pal from Degen Sweepers or Degen Factories, which has been retitled, the founder Yurkon, has actually bought one of these NFTs. This one was called Elon Musk. And he's actually a huge fan of these NFTs. He's been a huge fan of Polygon for quite some time. He actually owns quite a few of these NFTs. So this is, I think, his 3rd or 4th one based on what I've seen. But again, you got to look into those NFTs. Absolutely crazy. This is the team. They showed up at ETH Denver recently over the past week. And it just goes to show that because they're based in America, from what I'm seeing, they've really attended these events, just showing how fun this game is. And this is the type of characters you want behind a game that is as innovative as this. Now, if you go to the website, it's pretty cool. You can actually see that you can play the game right now as you speak. It's a community-owned NFT gaming open source protocol. Now, if you go here, you can see that you can get an Aavegotchi if you really want to, the avatar, or also known as the PFP, or AKA the NFT. When you click on that link, it'll take you straight to this page. And what you want to do is that you want to sort the lowest price. I think if you want to buy the cheapest one, right now the cheapest price is around 235 Ghost tokens, right? So we saw that Ghost wasn't too bad in price, so this could be a great entry point in case you want to buy one of these and have some exposure. Right now I'm looking at this one right here because it's actually a nice Polygon symbol, and I like purple. That's just my own personal point of view. But again, that is the whole ecosystem within Aavegotchi. You must do your own research before investing in this, but I want to get right into the third coin. What is the third altcoin in gaming that could definitely do 10, 20, maybe even 100x in the next gaming bull run? Well, that's going to be Illuvium. I mentioned Illuvium before many times. Actually, yesterday when I saw this price, it was around $81, now it's $75. I'm bringing this up for a reason. Now, the valuation is actually quite high. It's 753 million. The market cap is 174 million. So there's a huge gap right there, around 600 million. I did talk to you guys and girls about staying away from projects that have a huge gap between the valuation and the actual market cap itself. So you must be wondering why I'm bringing this video up. You can see that in its price range, in its all-time high price, back in December of 2021, over a year ago, it was almost up $2,000, and now it's literally massively down. It's almost at $74. That's absolutely insane. But there's a reason this promising project could actually yield some returns later on down the road, because even though it's built on Ethereum, you fight for ETH, their team has innovated a lot. Now, these are called Illuvatars. These are the creatures within this Illuvium ecosystem in this game. Now, this game is a metaverse in some way. It's also a game where you can literally play to score these Illuvatars. Now, Illuvatars are assets. They are NFTs. So if your team of Illuvatars ends up winning a battle and maybe obtaining one of these other Illuvatars, then possibly that will be worth something later on down the road. So Ethereum, we know, is really high in terms of its price. I think it's around $1,500 around the time of this recording. It could be less or more. The whole cryptocurrency market is volatile. But either way, NFT assets are something you just can't ignore because, again, they could yield something later on down the road. But that's why the Illuvium token could be a really good asset, because who knows how much it's going to cost to buy these. So getting Illuvium at its cheap price right now, maybe you can get these for less than 0.5 Illuvium or 1 Illuvium, if that were the case. So I think this is a really good time to have maybe a little bit more exposure. Again, not financial advice. This is just, if you're really into gaming, if you're really into the gaming world, this could yield some great returns later on down the road. So last and not least, let's go for the last altcoin, and that is going to be the Aurory token. Now, Aurory is around 0.67 USD, and you can see that the market cap is 12 million, fully diluted market cap is 67 million. Again, a really big gap between the valuation and the market cap itself. Now, if we look at the all-time chart, we saw it reach as high as almost $25, less than literally $1. So could this yield some great returns? Possibly. Why? Because this is a great game on the Solana blockchain. Now, it does say that it is available on BNB Smart Chain, but really you can get it on Solana as well from this address. Now, you can actually buy it on Radium if you're very interested in buying it. It's better than going to an exchange like KuCoin. But yeah, you can switch it off at Radium or Orca, which is something that I recommend. These are decentralized swaps. Now, if you go to the website, you can play this game, but also many other things as well. There are great avatars. These are NFTs I'm going to show you in a little bit. Now, I do want to mention with their NFT sales, they have around 1 million Solana on terms of all the marketplaces combined, over 200,000 followers. Again, this has a lot of traction. Definitely one of the leading games on Solana's blockchain, but also why the token could be really a nuisance for you, because again, you can use those tokens for in-game uses. It's a very active community. Now, if you go to the marketplace, you can see here that there are different NFT PFPs, but also there are skins, there are NFTs, collectibles, eggs. Again, a lot of this is going to be used with the Aurory token in case you need to use it, but you also can fight for Aurory tokens as well within the game. And again, for the next gaming bull run, it could be amazing. Now, recently at NFT Paris, the team actually got to meet the founder, which is right here. So it's good to see that the founder is doxed, that he is a really passionate French developer. Again, he is one of the main head people that started this game. And again, he's just basically saying how he's excited to be here at this event, but also to help promote the game and promote the awareness. And this is his team at the event promoting that. So that's really cool. And again, last thing I want to share with you is the NFT space. So if you go into Magic Eden, you can see that the NFTs are trading around 19 Solana roughly. And each Solana is around $20 at the time of this recording. So you can see that there is over on this marketplace 431,000 Solana trading volume. Absolutely healthy. And again, this is one of the OG projects in the space. So those are my top 4 gaming altcoins. What are your top gaming altcoins that you want us to cover on this channel? Are you bullish on the 4 that I brought up, which is Polygon, Aavegotchi, Illuvium, and Aurory token? Which 4 of those are you bullish? I want to hear your comments down below on both YouTube and Twitter, and I cannot wait to read them. As always, be sure to like up that button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page to receive all of our alpha calls on our buy and sell orders on both NFTs and cryptocurrencies. And other than that, I'll see you guys and girls next time.